Super fun. Actually, ayoko na umuwi. Ito na ako. Pwede bang lagyan niya ako sa commissary ng room ko doon? Katabi ko yung mga pusit. Promising. You can do a lot of things with the brand actually. The direction, if you know the plan and the directions of the company where we will be heading in the next 5 years, 1 year, 2 years from now, it's very promising. And yeah, I think you need to find some time to go to the location as well. Kasi minsan, picture lang yan, video lang yan. To see is to believe. Experience it on your own. So come to their commissary area. So the location, how the process is done. Kasi it's easy to say like, we are FDA approved. All experience, I really find it na talagang trustworthy yung company. The brand,